Okay, right here I'm going to show you how to add a login into the Apex program. First, you need to go to the website that you're going to get the login from. In this case, I'm going to use Mega Upload as an example. Once you're at the login page, go ahead and open up your live HTTP headers, which you can get from the Mozilla website. Once you've got that open, go ahead and put in your login information. I got this account from Anything Goes, just to use as testing. I'm not putting my actual account that I use on here. I'm not a dumbass entirely. Once logged in, go back to your live HTTP headers and see if you've got what you're looking for. In this case, it's right here on top, which in most cases will be. If not, just scroll down. You will find it. Like here's another thing used for Mega Upload, but it's not what you're looking for. Right here below content length is your post string, which you will use in the login editor. Here's the post page, which is right after post. Obviously your host right here, which you'll need. And for any website you will need a valid and invalid string. In this case, set cookie user equals is all you'll need for a valid string to show that a user has been logged in correctly or cracked. Other websites can be different, but from past experiences I know that this is what is valid for Mega Upload. I'm not going to go through and show you how to find a valid string. You can figure that out yourself. Okay, now that we have our information we need, we're going to go to Apex, go to Login Editor. Once there, we're going to go to New Login, and I'm going to name mine Mega Upload Test, because there already is a Mega Upload in here, right there. Request type is a post, which you can see here that it's already a post, so therefore you know. Our host is right below that, megaupload.com. Get page, we're not using a get page, we're using post, and our post page is right here. You can either copy and paste it like a lazy person or type it out. I'm going to be lazy and copy and paste. You don't need this HTTP or the post. All you need is just the page it's referring to. Next, you need your post string, which is right there under content length. Once you've got that, paste it in there. Now you need to replace your username and password with user and pass, which is in brackets. Apex is coded to replace your user and pass in brackets with the user and password that is in the cracker. Crack string in this case is right here. All websites are different. I'm not going to go through and show you how to figure it out. I know from past experience this is what works for Mega Upload. You don't need all this extra bullshit. All you need is a set cookie user equals. Invalid string, I don't know one. You don't really need one. A ban string, if you feel like looking for that, go for it. You don't need a cookie. You do need to use proxies because Mega Upload will ban after so many logins. You do not have to use emails, so leave that at no. We'll go ahead and we're going to test this. I'm going to leave this as an invalid username and password just to see if it works. Once it's received the data and finished getting all of it, it will show that the status is invalid. It shows empty because we have nothing in our invalid string box over here, which is no big deal. Now I'm going to use an account that works just to see if it will show that it is a valid account. See, right here is where it shows your set cookie user equals, which is a valid string, and it will show that it's cracked. Once you know that that works, press save, and you will need to use a key. I'm going to use MUT for Mega Upload Test. You can use whatever you want to. Press OK, and then now it is saved into your config file. Once that's done, you can go to configuration and go to site, and it should have it right there, and it will let you know that it requires proxies, which we set that up, and that's all you need to know.